This is my own little Legoland collection. Luke Skywalker, the X-Wing, the Imperial Shuttle, Boba Fett's ship, TIE Fighter, TIE Bomber, right, Buddy. Up here we have Poe Dameron's ship. Down here we have a Star Destroyer that I got as a Christmas gift in probably like 1977 or 78. It's not a Lego thing though. Here is Carl Weathers on the mission pad. 1968 Batmobile with Adam West having fallen over. And Cesar Romero. And next, new Batmobile. So when I was doing my Lego setup, I forgot that I had the Y-Wing here, along with the Land Speeder over here, in addition to all my plumbing supplies, X-Wing, all those that I mentioned earlier.